So you want to animate values over time inside Blueprint. That's what timeline does. Timelines are built-in animation curves. Instead of coding math, you draw lines to open sliding doors, light fading in and out, or maybe cube bobbing up and down. They make gameplay feel alive. And to get this node, just right click and type in timeline and you will get this node. It will be on the bottom of the list. For now, let's just double click on the tutorial timeline we already have, and we will add it a float tag into it like this, as you can see on the screen, and let's just name it test. And now we have it with a length of 5 seconds in reality. Now we are adding a keyframe and I'm going to set it to 00 because it will be our starting keyframe. And let's add another keyframe and set the time to 1. And no, actually what we will do here is we will set the time to 5 and the value to 10, which will make it like it will return a value of 10 in 5 seconds. Let's just fit it in the graph like this. And now we have a time and value of 5 and 10. Now what we will do is we will take a delay of 0.2 second and we will start it from the start, play from the start like this, as you can see on the screen. And we will connect the test into it and just remove the loop because we don't need loop when we have timelines because it do the work for us. So what it will do is every frame or something like that, it will update it with the new value, which is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8, whatever it is. And when it is finished, it will print us completed. And now it's a very basic logic we have, and let's just compile the code and press begin play. And as you can see on the screen, we have 1 2 3 4. It will go from 0 to 10 within 5 seconds. So it is actually used in doors, elevator, camera shake, health bar animation. Timelines are Polish note every Blueprint dev should know. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all Blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.